Welcome to your home sweet home. So this is a beautiful family home here in Sugarmill Woods, Cypress Village. This is in Homosassa, Florida. Over 2,300 square feet of living area. The home was built in 1993 and fully updated in 2008, and with current updates all the way to 2021. So we're going to walk around, just take a look. Notice all the architectural design features that we have, the beautiful travertine floors. The master bedroom is over here on the left side of the house. Crown molding throughout. The master is fully equipped with 2 walk-in closets and this gorgeous ensuite bathroom. So you see you have a shower, a jetted tub, 2 sinks, little vanity desk, nice linen closet here, and then sliders out to that gorgeous pool. So the pool is quite a feature of this home with the stone waterfall. We'll go out there in a second, but first we'll take a look at this kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, wood cabinets, very nicely laid out. We've got the laundry room right off of the kitchen and then the 3-car garage. Nice sized dining room here. And this is the flex or bonus room. So this space, you've got pocket doors, lots of nice natural light, the vaulted ceiling, really good space for just an extra living area, game room, whatever you might want to do with it. Guest wing here, we have the 2 guest bedrooms and the full guest bathroom. So you can see we've got the tub shower combo here. The tile goes all the way up, all the way through the ceiling of the shower. So that's a nice upgrade. And then guest bedroom number 1. The air conditioning unit on this house was replaced in 2019. So that's a big ticket item you don't need to worry about here. And you notice that you have views of the pool from a lot of different areas of the home. We're going to step outside. This is a nice sized lot with extra privacy. The greenbelt is behind the property, so that is community land that will not be built on. Huge pool. It does have the pop-up cleaners in the pool, so that helps to keep all the debris that does happen to collect in the pool cleaned automatically. This pool screen was redone in 2021. And I also want you to notice that these are pocket glass sliders. So these on the master bedroom and on the main living area all recess all the way behind the wall. So this is a great home for entertaining. Again, nice private surroundings, backyard's wooded. This lot over here is vacant. Very, very peaceful and quiet. The pool pump was replaced in 2020. And like I said, the pool was rescreened recently. So we're going to head back inside and we will go to the garage and the laundry room. You'll also notice there's skylights that were just replaced in 2008 when the roof was done. Lots and lots of natural light in this house. This is the laundry room. You've got some extra storage in here. You've got your laundry tub. And then of course the garage. This is a 3-car garage. We've got a side door outside, so that's a nice feature to have. And we also have sprinkler system, so you can keep the landscape looking sharp. Extra closet here in the garage, and we have an 8-foot by 16-foot attic storage with the drop-down stairs. So there you have it. This is a great option. It's just over 2,300 square feet of living area, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, bonus room, in a great community with low HOA fees. $108 a year is the HOA, so the community stays beautified, but you're not paying a lot of money for that. And it's a golf community. There's some nice recreational amenities. So really great option. If you would like more information on this property, I'm Ruth Squires with RES Luxury Group and eXp Realty, 352-794-1426.